Solve the given equations. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. If we compare the given quadratic equation to the standard form, we have a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to 6. So if we take the product AC is equal to 12 and factorize 12 in such a way that the addition of factors is minus 7. So if we think, we'll get the factors as minus 4 and minus 3. Now there are many other possible factors of 12, but we select this because the addition of minus 4 and minus 3 is minus 7. So therefore, that's how we split the middle term. So we have 2x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So taking 2x common, we have x minus 2 in the bracket. Minus 3 common, we have x minus 2 in the bracket again. So therefore we have 2x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore we have x is equal to 3 by 2 or x is equal to 2.